I've never had to wait in line to come
You
to the
said everybody's
buffet.
trying to get off the ship at once.
Birthday cake. They're getting ready for the balloon drop later on tonight. Coconut. I started off with escargot.
We really didn't expect it to be.
What you got, love?
I got the wedge salad. Wedge salad.
I got French onion soup. Alright, there you got the beef Wellington.
And the beef tender.
And then he insisted that she try the beef tenderloin. She told him no, but he insisted, and I got the crusted salmon. Apple cobbler with ice cream. I didn't really want anything, but this guy right here keeps talking me into everything. And I got the cobbler and ice cream. The solarium at night. Hooked seafood. It's kind of dark in here.
We're in the
Very.
atrium, or he calls it the solarium. Back by the hot tubs and the all-adult place on the Royal Caribbean. It's really beautiful back here, all the lights. We're at the bar.
I don't call it the solarium, that's what it's called.
I call it the atrium.
Yeah, so we kind of skipped our closing last night. I was in the casino till almost 3:30 this morning.
So we came here to get this martini, and it's really funny because these are little plastic
They're
glasses.
plastic.
And they're not very heavy, so you think you can't even pick them up.
Because you can't have glass by the pools, and there's pools in here, so.
Oh, it's so good.
All right, so anyway,
Cheers.
so tomorrow, Coco Cay, we get to go to the private part.
Yeah, we got
Came with our
private
package.
pot.
Yep. So it was a fun day. She laid by the pool all day long, and I laid by the pool all day long, but in the shade.
Yeah, he was in the shade.
All right, so anyway,
Yeah.
tomorrow's Coco Cay, and we're going to Hideaway. We're going to the Hideaway place. We'll bring that too. All right, see you in the morning. I'm not going to the casino tonight. Going
We
night
already
night.
went. I went to the
I lost 100.
There you go.
All right,
It's
but
gonna be a
I
good
won
day.
1,400 last night, so we're good.
Yeah.
Good night.
Bye.